Hey, what's up you guys, me again, Trespass. Welcome to the second video. Now we are doing the GTA Motocross Race 3 time trial, so sit back and enjoy. There we go. There's Trev and me. I do love that motocross bike. So, there I am. See ya, won't wanna be ya. That motocross bike is my favourite. Have to be a bit careful. There we go, I won. I think I'll do another round. No, I'll just leave it all around. So let's go and have a look at this motocross bike. Let's have a look on the website to see what bikes you can get. Wow, we've got quite a lot of things here. I like this one. I like all these, but that scooter doesn't count, but that bike's nice. And that bike is. I have to turn the bloody PS4 off now. So right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. You know we're up in Trespass and Bob's over and out. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Peace out.